Ultima RS.
I know that's really weird.
Rancho Santa Fe Cars and Coffee. Show this Ultima RS. Show you the turbos. Crazy.
Walk around the neighborhoods and oh, that house is being turned on. Oh,
It's a Toyota Supra.
Like an older one?
GT3 RS. It's my favorite Mustang, the Mach 1. Look at that. Manual. This is a really nice GT3. I don't know what pack comes with the carbon here. I think it's carbon on the hood and roof, and then ZR1 in the back. Really neat street touring. Check this out. It's just a race car. Love these old Alphas. So pretty to see. Amazing.
I wish he was here.
Another ZR1. Bet over. Check out this G. Lifted, single cab, 280. So nice. That guy's leaving. Rancho Santa Fe, CarsBeCool. My favorite was the Ultima RS. I like that one. Peace.